Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm really excited to share something with you, and it's a website called Creative Fabrica. Okay, so the website is creativefabrica.com. Um, Now this website is really awesome. Okay, as we all know, it's time consuming to find high quality images and fonts, which is it's essential to grab your customers' attention. Um, Unfortunately, in this day and age, people do judge a book by its cover. The cover needs to look very, very sharp, or the T-shirt or whatever merch you're selling needs to really stand out from the competition, especially if it's a very competitive niche. So this might really elevate your game to a whole new level. Now, one of the main issues that many of us run into is the price, and of course it's also the licensing. Now the licensing, it's not easy to find one that allows you to just use any graphic as is, or if they do, there might be a limit on how many you can sell before you have to buy the full license or upgrade in some way. So those are kind of it's a bit of a hassle. Let's face it, it is a bit of a hassle. But Creative Fabrica is pretty awesome for that. Okay, and I'll walk you through why I think that is. So it'll be a bit of a review of Creative Fabrica and the platform itself. Now, the homepage is, as I mentioned, creativefabrica.com. Now they've got so many fonts, 36,000 some fonts, arts and crafts, and many graphics. And if you don't want to pay for anything, you can always have a look at the free downloads which they offer. So it costs nothing to sign up to the website, so feel free to sign up, and then you get emails and you can get your free downloads every day, so feel free to go for that. Now on the first page, they usually try and offer some kind of bundles that's making a lot of downloads, or popular fonts that people are looking at right now, or popular graphics. So definitely take a look at Creative Fabrica, and they're quite big on embroidery and other arts and crafts items. Okay, so please take a look. There's a link in the description below. Now I've just opened this page on freebies because I do want to show you that they do offer quite a lot of freebies. Look at this. There's fonts, graphics, files, and free embroidery. 775 results. So you could definitely spend quite a lot of time looking through all these and find out. Hopefully, you can find something that you enjoy. So those are the freebies. Now I wanted to show you specifically. You could look at the graphics section. So if you went onto the graphics section, they try and categorize the graphics under different niches, or you can just click on browse all. You might want to just search for something you're looking for. So in our case, we've been looking at the law firm or law niche, so I'm going to click law and see what comes up for graphics. So here we go. There's plenty of this stuff. Why don't we say something like this? I know it says $5, but let's see. So there's no reviews. You get a couple of files, EPS and JPEG files, and oh, notice this, need full POD license. Now that's the print on demand license, and if you do, it will bump up the price slightly, but that's okay, because it gives you so much more control over that graphic. So this is you may not need to use this graphic specifically, but you can if you want to. And what I would do is go on to print on demand POD and just search for what you're looking for. And we can just take a look. So there's obviously fonts, there's graphics. So maybe let's take a look at Halloween. Halloween's coming up soon, so you can order a full POD license. And look, this is what I really love about Creative Fabrica. They offer you not just the graphics, but they show you against the background what it might look like. And if you're doing merch and t-shirts, this is perfect. So look at that. You can see exactly how it will appear, right? So yeah, if you got any questions on Creative Fabrica, they've got an awesome team. You just email them at hi@Creative Fabrica. I don't want to make this video too long, so just want to point out that you need to have a look at the licenses. Make sure you have a look at the license. So there's a subscription license where you pay per month, or a single sales license. So if you bought this one-off, that would be a single sale. But if you wanted to do the monthly subscription, you know, you would definitely have to read through the license and make sure it is what you want. So I'll leave some links in the description below. So this one's for a single sale license, and this is for the subscription license. It's quite lengthy. Make sure you're aware of what you can or can't do. So they give you examples here. So you can download this. You can't do it just straight off putting it onto some merch, but you can manipulate it and make it something different. And this is the print on demand, basic print on demand usage. So this is the design. You can't do that with a big red X, but you can do this with a green tick. And then it goes on to describe the full print on demand license. So definitely have a read through that and see what you need for the price that you want to pay for as well. Now obviously the best bundle that they've got at the moment is the all access, $29 a month, and you get almost everything. Actually, I do think you get everything. You get everything, and there are a lot of happy customers because what you have is essentially commercial use license, and quite often, and you will need to check individually, but it comes with the full print on demand license. Okay, so you can literally use the graphics as is in some cases. I think it actually says you can use it. With full POD products, you are allowed to create and upload designs that are the same or similar to the original. Okay, so you can't you can't sell the files that you download, but you can upload the actual designs. And it might be worth me doing a tutorial at some point where I download one of these designs and I show you how we can use that in Canva or Spark, which are free. So I hope you enjoy this video, and if you're as excited, please check out Creative Fabrica. They offer so much: fonts, graphics, free resources. There is a link to my affiliate link below in the description. No extra cost to you, but it does go to support this channel. If you enjoyed the video, smash that thumbs up button, subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you in the next video.